Okay, guys, this is another one that comes in your homework. I think it's page 2. This is operations with integer numbers. And I decided to do this because I remember that several of you got issues with this. When we were doing additions of integers, well, it was pretty simple because we were just moving in the number line and we just need to focus on the symbol of the second number. If it was a positive, we will be walking forward to the positive line. If it was a negative, we will be walking towards the negative line, negative side of the number line. So some of you got that concept. I hope that you remember that we were walking the number line, and well, some of you got it very well. Some of you got issues when we switched to subtraction. So I show you two different ways to work this type of problems. This is a subtraction. Clearly, you can see it is a subtraction. They're subtracting -4 minus -16. So I'm going to go first with the number line. You are in -4. This is the negative side of the number line. This is the positive side of the number line. And then you are going to be subtracting. So that means that we are going to walk backwards. But we need to face to the symbol of the second number. So in this case, it's a negative. So if we are here, we're going to be facing that way because this is a negative number. We're going to be facing that way. But remember, this is a subtraction. So you are going to have to walk backwards starting from here. So I am going to be walking backwards 16 spaces. Remember when we were walking the number line on the end of the classroom? We did the physical number line on the carpet, and we were walking with this. So we face to the negative side because the second term, it's a negative number, so we're facing that way. Now we're going to be walking backwards 16 spaces. So if we are here, we're going to be walking backwards 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So you are going to finish in positive 12. This is one way to solve it with the number line. Here I go with the second way that I show you. I'm going to rewrite it here. This is -4, and then I'm going to be subtracting -16. And then I show you something that we call keep, change, change. Some of you got this second way of working with the operations with integers. Some of you got this very much better. So here we go. I told you, remember, just do some columns here. You're going to keep the first one. You're going to change the symbol. You're going to change these two. So here we go. -4, it's going to stay -4. I'm going to change the subtraction to an addition. Then I'm going to change the symbol of the second term. In this case, it was a -16. So now I'm going to be making a positive 16. So now it's going to be very, very, very much easier because I got -4 plus positive 16. So if you do this, well, you're going to finish. It's like if you are having 16 minus 4. Well, if you got 16 and you subtract 4, you're going to finish in positive 12. Remember, it is very important that you put the symbols. Either you walk with the number line and remember how we were walking. Remember, when you're subtracting, you walk backwards. When you're adding, you walk forward. Where you're going to be walking, well, depends on the symbol of the second term. If it's a negative, you're going to be walking, if you're adding, you're going to be walking forward to the negative side of the number line. If you are subtracting, then you need to walk backwards, pointing that way, but walking backwards, like in this case. Or if you don't remember this, just remember, keep change. Remember to do this, and you will be able to make it. Have a nice day.